use CRA financing to get listings sold. Quick truth, price is not the only lever that sells a house. Financing comes into play in a major way that a lot of times I don't think people even think about. A lot of listings end up reducing the price not because the home isn't worth it, but because the buyer can't qualify it at today's rates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down how I use community lending options, sometimes called CRA-style programs, through banks to expand the buyer pool and protect the seller's bottom line. So I'm going to break down 4 things that I'm going to talk about today. And the first one is the buyer pool expansion mechanism. Number 2 is the no mortgage insurance and low down payment mechanism. So this is all about the CRA style products and what exactly they are. And then number 3, the stacking assistance mechanism. And number 4, the listing marketing and offer strategy mechanism. So who is this for? This is for sellers who are looking to get their house sold. This is for agents to sell more homes. So the first part of this is, what is CRA? CRA is the Community Reinvestment Act. And certain banks, regional banks, have to provide this type of financing for the buyers. They can't just loan in high income areas. They are required to do loans in areas like West Philly or North Philadelphia or South Philly, and it's based on the census tract. So it's based from block to block. We research each house by dropping it into just a little, there's a link, it's government, where we can just put it in, we find out what it qualifies for. So, how does this help you sell more homes? If we have more buyers qualified, we get more showings. More showings equals more leverage for the seller. So you can look at other programs, but the one thing with the CRA program that I love so much, and I've been using this program since the mid-2000s, I would say somewhere in 2006, 2007. In fact, in that time, 2008, it was really hard for buyers to get qualified. And so we would utilize this program for our sellers, so our developers. We would actually use the CRA program to sell the house because, and this is number 2, there is no mortgage insurance when using CRA. So you can put 3% down, no mortgage insurance. It is a conventional loan. It is not FHA. It's a conventional loan. So no mortgage insurance, 3% down. Also, this could be for 1 or 2 units. It doesn't matter. The other thing that I love about it is that you could get up to 1% below the prevailing interest rate. And so what it does is it lowers the payment. So if the payment is lower, that means that it allows for more buyers to qualify for the house. Because at the end of the day, buyers are just buying a payment. That's it. They're buying a payment. And the lower the payment, the more they can pay for the house, technically. So I had a property years ago, and I'm just going to use this example because it happened. The property at the time was listed for $369, $370, and the offer came in at $330. So there was a $40,000 gap. At the time, the buyer was using Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo sent over the pre-qualification with what the payment was going to be. And I went back to the buyer's agent and I said, have them call Citizens Bank. Citizens Bank is the bank that we use the most in this program. sometimes WISFIS as well, but have them call Citizens Bank. So I had them call Citizens Bank, and they were able to raise the price to the ask price, which is $370. The payment was still less than the payment that they got from Wells Fargo due to the CRA program. That's how powerful it is. So they paid the ask $370. Their payment was less than the payment that they were going to get FHA with Wells Fargo. So it's a great program. I use it all the time to sell my listings. The third thing you can also do is stacking assistance. So the Philly First Home Grant offers up to $10,000 or 6% of the purchase price for first-time eligible buyers. And that funding is available through the year until it runs out. So right now we're in the beginning part of the year, so that $10,000 is available. You do have to apply for it. You do have to go through a training in order to get the grant, but the $10,000 grant can be used with the CRA. It is a fantastic opportunity. In fact, at the end of the day, it costs somebody hardly any money to get into a home. So number 4 is removing the friction. So removing the friction, and one of the things that we do in order to remove the friction is to offer a buyer concession up front. So instead of making the price lower, offering a $5,000 or $10,000 buyer concession that will go directly to the closing cost. So it is of greater importance for first-time buyers to have that $5,000 or $10,000 concession than a $10,000 less price, because the $5,000 or $10,000 is real money, and that's a $5,000 or $10,000 that they have to take less out of their pocket, which means they can use that money towards either buying things for the home, appliances, or painting, or furniture, or whatever they need, and or even just having that money saved in the bank for them, because what we see is a lot of buyers are really pulling every dollar together in order to get the home, and we're trying to have as many people qualify to buy homes. So most people are not just payment sensitive, but they have limited funds pulling together, and we see now more than ever. I don't know if you know this, but the average homeowner used to be 31, and today is 40. It went up that much in the last 10 to 15 years. Pretty shocking. And we used to, because our first-time buyer used to be somebody just out of college, they've been working for 5 or 6 years, they have a strong job. They also have money saved, and today it's a different scenario. So you got to work with what's happening within the market, what's happening within the economy, and I believe that the CRA program is one of the best hidden secrets. I talk about it all the time. If you look at my listings, ones that qualify for it, we utilize it. Generally, we have to explain it to the buyer's agent and let them know what it is. Because a lot of agents don't know about this, and I explain it to the sellers, our clients, and say, this is how we're going to use this program so that buyers can get a lower down payment, have no mortgage insurance, and be able to also get the $10,000 grant. So it makes it a no-brainer to buy this house over maybe some other house that's in similar condition, in the similar area, at this price point, because the house qualifies for the CRA. So I love this program. I can't talk about it enough. Just to say, I am not a lender, but my job is to be able to expand the buyer pool for our listings and net the sellers the most money that we can. And this is one of the tools that I use in order to do that. So if you want to know how to get more listings, I have a free download. I'm going to drop that link in the comment section. So you can just go ahead and click on it, fill your information in, and you will have that free download, How to Get More Listings Now, in your inbox ASAP. So thanks for listening today, everybody. I hope you have a beautiful week, and I will see you next week on 10 a.m. the Facebook Live, teaching how to get more listings, how to sell more listings, and let's have a great and fantastic week.